The Nothing Phone 3 has quickly captured the attention of smartphone enthusiasts worldwide and is now a major topic of discussion in the tech community. Fresh insights from a recently leaked internal email by CEO Carl Pei have confirmed that this upcoming device will mark a significant milestone for the brand. It promises to introduce groundbreaking innovations in its user interface and incorporate advanced AI-powered features designed to rival the very best in the industry. While the Phone 3 was initially scheduled for release in 2024, its launch was postponed to allow the company to focus on developing state-of-the-art AI systems. In the email, Pei highlighted the brand's commitment to innovation by announcing a 50% expansion of its camera hardware and software teams, aiming to deliver a more powerful, seamless, and user-friendly experience to its customers. In the latest wave of tech news, an intriguing rumor has emerged on Reddit, quickly becoming a hot topic among enthusiasts and industry insiders alike. A trusted tech insider known as Digital Chat Station has hinted that the upcoming Nothing Phone 3 could incorporate an action button strikingly similar to the one featured on the iPhone 16. Interestingly, this potential addition was subtly teased last year by CEO Carl Pei, who shared an exclusive preview of Nothing OS 3 on his X, formerly Twitter account. While some critics have dismissed this move as merely copying Apple's design, others argue that it represents a logical and innovative step forward in the evolution of smartphone technology. Adding to the excitement, speculation suggests that the Nothing Phone 3 will come equipped with cutting-edge AI capabilities, premium flagship-level hardware, and a host of upgrades specifically aimed at delivering an exceptional user experience. According to reports, the device might offer a staggering 12 GB of RAM alongside an impressive 512 GB of internal storage, making it a powerhouse for multitasking and media storage. At its core, the phone is expected to be powered by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, which promises lightning-fast performance and seamless functionality. Furthermore, the device is rumored to feature a sophisticated triple-camera setup, complete with a high-end telephoto lens which could significantly elevate the standards of mobile photography, making it a must-have for photo enthusiasts. With the inclusion of a powerful 5000 mAh battery paired with 45-watt fast-charging support, users can look forward to extended performance that effortlessly lasts throughout an entire day. Additionally, the smartphone's highly anticipated action button, which allows users to manage a variety of functions with ease, has become a major point of discussion among tech enthusiasts. Although some critics argue that this feature is a direct imitation of Apple's innovation, it has the potential to redefine smartphone interaction and align seamlessly with Nothing's mission of delivering smooth and intuitive user experiences. When combined, these impressive features firmly position the Nothing Phone 3 as a cutting-edge and exceptionally versatile device. With speculation and excitement continuing to build, many tech observers are eagerly expecting Nothing to officially unveil its highly awaited flagship model during the prestigious Mobile World Congress, which is set to take place in March 2025 in the vibrant city of Barcelona, Spain. The Phone 3 is not arriving on its own. According to reports, Nothing might also unveil the Nothing Phone 3 Pro alongside the standard version. This Pro variant is anticipated to appeal to tech enthusiasts who desire top-tier performance, likely showcasing more advanced hardware, enhanced capabilities, and an exclusive set of premium features. Furthermore, a more affordable model, the Phone 3A, might also make its debut, providing consumers with a wider range of options to suit different budgets and preferences. When it comes to pricing, the Nothing Phone 3 is rumored to be priced at around $600, placing it in the same league as other flagship smartphones currently available in the market. What do you think about the speculated action button? Would you consider it a breakthrough innovation or just an attempt to imitate existing designs? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates and insights.